Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now let us see this problem that we have to find the value of this one. So now what we can see, these both numbers are the same and these both are the same. So we can consider this as A and this as A and this as B and B. So before that, what we should know that there are the identities. There are three identities that here we are going to use not all three, but you should know these three identities. First identity is a plus b whole bracket square. That is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. This all of you should know these identities. Now a minus b whole bracket square, that is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a square minus b square. So that is going to be a plus b, a minus b. Or we can also write this as a minus b, a plus b. So why we can write both ways. Now see, if you are writing your 5 multiplied by 3, that also is 15. If you write 3 multiplied by 5, that also is going to be 15. So this is the same. When we write this bracket, that means there is a multiplication sign in between them. So we can do one thing. We can write here let a is equal to 75983 and b is 45983. So this is what as I said, this can be a into a and this is b into b. So this will be what? A square, a into a, and this will be b square. So now what we can do, we can write this one as 75983 because that is 2 times, that will be square of it, minus 45983 square of it. And now this we can change. The denominator is 30,000. So now see here, when you subtract this one, see 75983 minus 45983. So what do you get? We get 30,000, right? So this is A, we have considered this, we have considered as B. So we can write here A minus B. So we can also write this one as 75983 minus 45 for 30,000. We can write this number. So now what will you write here? You know this is a square minus b square and the denominator, what is that? A minus b. So now as I told you, the identity a square minus b square means a plus b. For this a square minus b square, you can write as a plus b and a minus b. And the denominator is a minus b. You can also put a bracket over here. So now what happens here? This and this gets cut here. So what remains is a plus b. And now what we have considered A as we have considered as 75983. So now let us write that 75983 plus that is 45983. So when you add these both, let us add and see what do we get. 45983. So this should be 6. So that will be 19. 121966. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.